amazing people, in this video I'm going to share some of the amazing tips and tricks in Excel. So if you're a person using Excel, this video is made for you. These shortcuts are going to help you save way too much time. So further ado, let's jump into the video. On to trick number 1, you can see a table here. So if you're taking a copy of this, what you probably does is select the table, use Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V. But using just a key, you can copy this. For that, simply select the table, click on Control. Well, you can see your cursor like this. Now just drag your table to where you want. And if you want to make one more, just again select the table. Now select the table again and drag to wherever you want. Moving on to the second trick. In certain situations, we need to merge two table data to one. So for that, what I'm going to do is click on Clipboard. You can even move the clipboard. Just click on move and now you can paste it wherever you want. Now simply copy the two tables. Copy it. And now the next, copy that. Now keep a cell where you want to paste this and just paste all. Now we can see the two table data has been merged. Now if we want only January's, April's and August and November's, copy each of them. So I'm going to copy January's and next step I'm going to copy April's. Also August, and last but not the least I'm gonna also copy November's. Well, I've copied all that four and now I'm gonna switch to other place and paste all. Now you could see I have got everything separately. Well, another feature of Clipboard is you could still paste from it. You can change from November to August to April likewise. Jumping on to the third trick of Excel is also going to be useful. So imagine if I need a chart for this particular table right now. All I need to use is keyboard, press Alt plus F1. You can see the chart right now. Well, you can also change the color of the chart from green to purple to blue. I think blue is fine. And you can also change the type of the chart. You could say various option here. I think I'm gonna go with pie. Now press OK. You could see your chart right there. Well, to the trick number 4 we goes. Well, here's the shortcut Excel here, but I don't know where the original file is. So what I'm gonna do is open this Excel. Let me wait for it to be opened. And once it is open, click on any cell you want, any. So I'm gonna click on this and put equal to and type CELL. And on typing that, put a bracket and you could see various options here. So from there, put file name and close the bracket and press enter. Now you could see exactly where the original file is located. On the trick number 5, you can see a report card right here. So instead of summing up all the subjects, I just want English and math. So for that, first simply select the English column. And now right click at the bottom you can see define name. Click on that and let's change it to a shorter ENG and click on OK. If you're wondering why I did that, I'll let you know. And for next, I'm going to use Max. Same way, select it and right click, define name. Instead of Max, I'm going to put MAT and I've put OK. How I want to add math and English together is simply put equal to, type sum and you could see a bracket and number 1. For number 1 I'm going to use English. If you type ENG you could see ink. Well, that's why I used a shorter name early. Now I've put a comma and in number 2 it's math. So I'm going to select math and it's math. And click on that and press enter. Well, 946 is the total when you add English and Max. Well, in trick number 6, we're going to see how to see the complete arguments in a long formula. For example, let's take VLOOKUP. Well, VLOOKUP is a little bit lengthy, so I'm gonna type equal to VLOOKUP. You could see a smaller ones, but I'm gonna use Control plus Shift plus A. Now the complete formula is right in front of you. Love, taking a different one, I'm gonna use if. So put equal to if in bracket, and now put Control plus Shift plus A in your keyboard, and right there in front of you is the complete formula. Well, to the last but not the least, seventh tip of the video. Now you could see two columns with same names. So I'm going to use column A as my first name and column B as my second name. So first what I'm going to do is select column number A. After fully selecting, use Control plus F. So using that you could get a pop-up box like this. From replace, put a blank space and put star and replace all. Now click OK and you could see the second name has been gone, and do this to column B but in a different way. Select all and replace, remove it and put a star then a blank. Earlier we used blank then star, now star then blank. Now replace all, press OK. You can now get two columns with first name and last name. Well, that's the wrap for today's video. I'm pretty sure at least one of these video tips will help you save a lot of more time. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Also like this video and don't forget to share this to your friends.